Avatar makeup? Let's do it. I'm going to do the original blue avatar today. I'll go straight in with this Mare on cream stick. Get right up in there. I have actually done blue avatar twice before, but you guys always comment asking me to do it again. So here we are. Out of all the different colour avatars I've done so far, which one's your favourite? Mine was the red, but now it's the black one. Greetings, Earthlings. Concealer time. Ooh, why do I feel like a fluffy cloud right now? Get it all over the nose so we can make it look a lot wider. Oops. Yeah. Going in with some dark blue to contour. We're gonna do forehead, cheekbones, jawline. Sculpt that chin and the nose. Bring a line down. And I bring that blue right through my crease and flick it out to my temple. Right here, bring it out a bit on the cupid's bow. Under here, and then right in the center, shine it up, blend in along that contour line until it starts to fade away. The blend is looking spectacular. Imagine I was in an Avatar movie. I'm manifesting it. That would be so cool. Quick comment blue in capital letters if your favorite color is blue. It has to be all capitals. Time for powder. Oh, get a big fluffy brush. Press it on the skin. Going on top of everything with blue eyeshadow just to really bring those colours out and make everything pop, 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 pop all over my eyelid. Time for the lines. I don't know why I always dread doing the lines. I think it's just because I don't want to mess it up and make it look rubbish. That's the centre. Ooh, okay. I'm going to use a bigger brush to thicken this line up a little bit. I want it to look a bit smudged. That line's not in the middle, is it? No! Curve in and up. Oh, that's very dark. Soften up those lines and make them a little bit thicker than a Snicker. For the brows, I kind of did like an ombre, white at the front and then a bit of a lighter blue and then going into dark blue on the ends. I don't know if you can really tell, but that's what I did. I did it. Body time. Blend that all out. Oh, my brush is rattling again. I wonder what's in there. Such a mystery. Maybe it's a diamond or a piece of gold. Treasure. Oh, you're a bit patchy, love. Set that body with powder. Okay, good to go. Good to go. Shading in that body with the eyeshadow. I need like some coloured setting powder or something. That would make my life so much easier. Oh, look at the collarbone. It's like very sharp. Blend it out a little bit. Hither. Thither. Hey. Okay, body. She's looking nice. She's looking nice. Guys, I nearly forgot the pink for the nose and the lips. Why didn't you remind me? Just tap in some pink eyeshadow on there. Cute. Oh, yes. Looking good. Let the painting commence. We're going to do white dots. Doing them in like little clusters. I never really know what to say on this part, so speed it up. Okay, I think I should stop there with the face, but not with the body. Tap your nose to make it speed up. Did you tap your nose? Be honest. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Quickly adding eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Really like pink eyeliner in the waterline. Adding a bit of highlighter. Ooh. Contact lenses. Gotta go with yellow, of course, because Awa has yellow. Not Awa. Naturi. Naturi has yellow. Come on. Yes. No. Go. Yes! Lashes. I'm gonna go for these. Got a bit of blue on the end. First lash. Come on. Yes! Flawless victory. Time for the hair. Okay, let's do this. I need to fix this hair and add a few finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Ta-da! Here's the final look. I wish I had more accessories for the hair, but I really love how the makeup turned out. What do you guys think? Do I look like a true Navi? I think this is the last of the Avatar series. I don't want to overdo it and make it boring because I'm doing it like every week. But maybe I'll bring it back after the summer or around Halloween. What do you guys think? Should I carry on or should I give it a break? Take off my makeup with me. Of course I had to do the original blue. I really like how this one turned out. Yay me! Even painted the hands again. Do I look like a Navi? Navi? As usual, I can't really talk properly with these teeth in. They've got to be the first to go. I think I need to make new teeth. This one keeps sliding off and creating like a little gap right there. Can you see it? No! I'm a piranha. I live in the Amazon. Nyang. Come on. Oh, my ear's falling off. Trying to make a silent escape. I guess it's the ears next. Come on, love. There you go. Just the two of us. Alright, let me take the beads out the hair so that I can use them again. We don't waste around here. Look, I even did a blue plait. Nice, nice. Beads. Uh-oh, beads are out. Even though I'm dropping them everywhere. Where did they go? Where'd it go? And I need to take this necklace off. Out of all the avatar colours I've done so far, which one's you guys' favourite? Oh, I can't get it off. Cheers, mate. This was actually one of those flower head crowns, but I use it as an avatar necklace. Time for the eyelash. I sound like Forrest Gump. Bubba Gump. Run, Forrest, run. Oh, I don't want to take this off. Wish I could just keep it on all day. But it's not very practical. Goodbye. Look, these lashes even had a little bit of blue on the ends. Attention to detail. Oh, this wig is making my head itchy. I know a bunch of you are probably screaming at me to take it off, but I feel like it won't look as fun when I'm removing the makeup if I have no wig on. Alright, time for the contact lenses. You have overstayed your welcome. Oh. Okay, you wanna fight me? Gotcha. Pop that in there, safe and sound. You. Come on now. Yes. Oh, what's going on today? Am I losing my touch? Much better. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Cleanser of the day. They're on. Lovely jubbly. Oop. Oh, I'm so clumsy sometimes. Get in. Ugh. Oh gosh, that's gone all in my nails now. I love the smell of this one. It smells fresh. That should be enough. Work it into my hands. Flick the hair. You guys ready? Give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. I can't resist the urge to always slap my face. Ooh. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. Rub it all in. Gentle around the eyes. Really get up in those brows. Get those edges. All that work gone just like that in like 2 seconds. Let's get the body. To the left, to the left. Now I look like some sort of blue alien. Well, technically avatars are aliens. Get these hands. Oh yes. Ignore my nails, I need to get them redone. Don't judge me. Let's swipe away. Ooh. Reveal the catfish. As much as I love the look, it is very satisfying to get it all off. Especially when I've been sitting in it for hours. Come on, get off. I've had enough of you. Don't worry, hands, I haven't forgotten you. There we go. If you were me, would you go outside wearing the avatar makeup? Be honest. Time for micellar water. In a spray bottle. They don't like us. They don't like us. Body. Ooh. Okay, I can't see. Where's my cloth? Where's my clat? Ooh. Oh, look at that. Ah, I didn't get any on my teeth this time. Wig time! Bye-bye. Oh, I've still got blue along my hairline. It's fine, it's fine. I'm going to be washing my hair soon anyway. Okay, I think I got it all. Now for that satisfying itch. Oh, I'm tired. Very good, very nice. All done. Comment a blue heart emoji if you made it to the end of the video. And hit the like button on your way out. Thanks for watching.